Hi friends, welcome to Nisha's Food Hut. Today we are going to see a delicious and a healthy recipe with a minimum of ingredients. For that, in a mixer jar, I'm going to add wheat flour 1.5 cups. We can roast the wheat flour before adding to the jar, or else we can just add the raw wheat flour. Now I'm adding half a cup of mango. To that I'm going to add 1 pinch of salt. Now I'm going to grind it smooth, and if you see now the texture of the mango and the wheat has turned into a crumbly texture. After preparing this, in a serving bowl or a gulab jamun cup, I'm going to add 1.5 spoons of grated coconut to a bowl. The same to be continued with the bowls that you are having. And I'm going to add the mango and the wheat mixture that we have grinded and kept. Next, I'm going to add 3/4 to the bowl, the mixture that we have grinded. Actually, mango are very rich in protective antioxidants. It helps in digestion, maintaining healthy skin and hair. It supports heart health and it supports eye health as well. It has a decent source of vitamin A, folate, and they are pretty high in fiber as well. If the mango is had regular in diet, it is very beneficial for colon cancer prevention, heart disease and weight control. In one mango, it has 46 grams of sugar, but today we have added only half mango pulp to a mixture that to the recipe we are preparing. So here if you see now, I'm going to add the dry fruits. You can add any dry fruits as per your preference. I am adding the cashews and raisins, which are always available in everyone's home. So after adding the dry fruits, and I'm going to just fill again the mixture with the grated coconut that we have kept. So fill the grated coconut well. There was always a question whether the diabetic patient can eat mango. Mangoes have a moderate glycemic index of 55 and glycemic load of about 5, which makes it as a safe fruit for diabetes patient. According to the recommendation given by the medical association, it is okay for the diabetes patients to have a mango diet as it is very safe. For the fragrance, I'm going to add 2 to 3 cardamoms to a cup. If you are willing to grind the cardamom along with the wheat powder and mango, you can do it. And I have kept the idli pot steamed for 10 minutes. On that, I am going to keep the filled cup, and I am going to close and cook this mixture for 25 minutes as I have added the raw wheat flour. If you have indeed added the wheat flour roasted, you can cook till 15 minutes. That is more enough. After 25 minutes, if you see now, our healthy puttu is ready. Without no puttu maker, we have just prepared the puttu in the idli maker as well. So now I have taken that out. Let it cool for a minute and just turn it upside down. And if you see, the arranging that we have made is very attractive, and our healthy mango puttu is ready. You can also add brown sugar towards the end as it is required for you. So finally, if you see now, I'm going to add the organic brown sugar as much as I need. You can give a good mix to that puttu and you can have it. It can be the best breakfast recipe in the morning as it has no oil contained in it. So please do try this recipe at home and subscribe to Nisha's Food Hut. Press the bell icon below so that you will be the first person to receive all my future videos. Stay connected, keep in touch. stay watching. Thank you.